Monkey.
Hi. 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 I love you. Hi. Hi. Are we talking? Yeah. I love you. You're so silly. You're so silly. Yeah. You're silly. I love you. What's mommy doing? You're so silly.
I'm not there.
I love you, Arwen. I love you. Yes. You're cute. What about you, Raylan? Are you cute?
This day.
Yes.
I'm working, Daddy.
Are you working, Raylan?
I'm working, Daddy.
With your tools? What are you doing with your tools?
My mommy, Daddy.
You're fixing mommy?
I hurt mommy's bed.
What?
He's hurting Mommy's bed.
What's wrong with mommy's bed?
Can you tell Mommy, what are you doing, Raylan?
I'm doing working, Daddy.
You're doing working?
Working, Mommy. I stop my mommy. I'm working, Daddy. I know. I'm working, Daddy. I'm working, Daddy. I know my mommy.
Yes.
No, my mommy working. I'm working, Daddy. I'm working, Daddy. I'm working, Daddy. I'm working, Daddy. I'm working, Daddy.
You're working. You're what, Raylan? What, Raylan? Raylan, what? What, Raylan? Raylan.
Huh?
Yeah.
Help me.
You want me to help you? Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Mommy bed.
We're fixing mommy's bed? What's wrong with mommy's bed?
Whoa.
Whoa.
I bought a mommy bed.
You fell on mommy's bed.